This October 2013, I'm pleased to announce that we'll be hosting the Liberty Summit in beautiful Cape Breton Island, Nova Scotia, during the height of the Fall Colour Festival. This is going to be a truly remarkable event, where a select group of free market thinkers, who you read about in editorials and interviews here at the Daily Bell, will be gathering to share ideas, to explore for solutions in ways we can all live freer in an unfree world. It's your opportunity to join us, in a social setting, as well as in a more formal setting, where these ideas can be explored. It's a two-way street, and we look forward to meeting you at this summit. And you now have a chance to win 2 free tickets as well. It should not deter you from taking a moment to register today, for space is limited, and it is bound to fill up quickly. If you do happen to win the 2 free tickets by making a $50 donation to the Foundation for the Advancement of Free Market Thinking, then we will refund you the registration fee that you made by making the larger donation required. For the Foundation is hosting this summit. For every $50 donation you make to the Foundation for the Advancement of Free Market Thinking, your name will be entered for a chance to win 2 all-inclusive tickets to Liberty Summit. If you've already registered above, that's fine. We'll refund you your registration fee. I would encourage you to realize that the donation in and of itself to the Foundation for the Advancement of Free Market Thinking is the reason to donate. However, it's always nice to win a little something along the way, and we're happy to give you that opportunity. I look forward to seeing you this fall in Cape Breton. It's going to be a great gathering. Don't miss it.